Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna make a video. This is for all those people that have a between a 2009 and a 2014 Ford F150. It doesn't matter which model you have. I think they pretty much all have the same rigs, and this is because my doors kept on making a lot of rattling noise, and it was getting really frustrating, and I just couldn't take it anymore. So I finally found the culprit, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So when you're driving around and you hit through the bumps, you hear a loud rattle on the doors. It kind of sounds like the internal parts are a little bit loose. Well, when I was messing with my door, I was shaking these parts, and then I started hearing some noise. And when I took this part off, this is the driver's side door, you can hear the rattling. And that's exactly what you hear every time you hit a bump. To take these off, I simply use these two plastic I'm gonna call them thingies. I don't really know what they're called, but you can get these at AutoZone, or I ordered them from Wish for like $1. But you could probably find these at any auto shop for like probably $10. So what you want to do is this is I already worked on the passenger door. Try to figure out what to do with it. This one I haven't done yet, but of course you're gonna want to take these two parts off. This one is a little bit more tough, simply because I guess it's a little bit more tight in there. But this one's not very difficult to take off. You can just make sure you apply pressure from the other side. And there it is. So basically what happens is this plastic is very flimsy, and I guess it begins to expand with time. So what I did, and this one is already done, see, you can shake it, you don't hear any more of the noise. What I did on this one, I did two different things. This one I took it off, and what I did is I ran some duct tape around it, and that seemed to work fine. This part that was a little bit more difficult, I kind of just shoved some tape right there through the side, and then through this side I shoved a little bit of some felt, and that seemed to work pretty good. I'll do another video to see if that comes off or it stops working, but that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what you want to do. What I'm going to try with this one is I'm going to do the same thing with this one and shove some tape on the side, or maybe a piece of felt. So there you can hear the rattle. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Right now I'm just trying this because it's simple. But of course only time will tell how long it's gonna work for. So there you go. See that? There's no more rattle. Another thing that I found that makes noise in the car is the two back doors, or on the truck, the two back doors, the locks. You need to make sure you tighten those every once in a while. Those were loose and were making a rattling noise as well. So that's pretty much it, YouTube. With this one, what I'm probably gonna do is run a little bit of duct tape around this edge. all the way around, and that way it'll sit in there snug. And yeah, please leave some comments if this helped you or if it didn't, and if you have a better rig, then I would like to hear it. Thank you.